Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel on your MacBook. Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with the Excel interface. You'll learn to navigate ribbons and menus and to efficiently enter and format data within cells. We'll also cover the fundamentals of creating basic formulas, like sums and averages, to perform quick calculations. This foundational knowledge is crucial for any Excel user, ensuring you can confidently begin your spreadsheet journey. Now, let's dive into managing your data efficiently. We'll explore how to sort and filter information to quickly find what you need, making large datasets much more manageable. Discover the power of Excel tables for structured data organization, which simplifies data entry and analysis. Additionally, learn to apply conditional formatting to highlight important trends or values, giving your data a clear visual representation. These tools are essential for maintaining organized and insightful spreadsheets. Ready to unlock more of Excel's potential? We'll explore advanced formulas that can transform your data analysis. Learn to use VLOOKUP to quickly pull specific information from large tables, saving you significant time. Understand how if statements allow you to create logical conditions within your spreadsheets, automating decisions. Finally, we'll introduce pivot tables, a powerful tool for summarizing and analyzing complex data with just a few clicks. These skills will elevate your Excel proficiency. To wrap up, let's look at how to boost your productivity and collaborate effectively. We'll cover sharing your Excel workbooks with colleagues, allowing for seamless teamwork and real-time updates. Discover how to protect your sensitive data using various password security features, ensuring your information remains confidential. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. These tips will help you work smarter and keep your data secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.